Thank you, Speaker Saab. I'd like to, under Rule 241, I'd like to start my speech in English. Sir, Speaker Saab, before I start with the budget speech, I'd like to pay a tribute and appreciate the efforts of the doctors, nurses, paramedics, जिन्होंने अपनी जान की परवाह ना करते हुए दिनों रात अपनी families की जान की risk में डालकर patients they took care of the patients. And also I would like to appreciate the law enforcement agencies for implementing the government policies, and of course our press and media friends who again put their lives at risk to cover the different areas in this pandemic. I would also like to pay a tribute to all those who lost their lives in the line of duty and would like to condole with their families. Sir, Sindh government was the first to take the necessary measures in fight against this pandemic and led from the front and imposed a timely lockdown along with taking other important measures, putting public safety at the topmost priority. Speaker Saab कहते हैं कि जान है तो जहां है, लेकिन it was deeply distressing to see the negative, rather outrageous behavior of the federal government towards the people of Sindh during this COVID pandemic. Sindh वो पहला सूबा है जिसने लॉकडाउन को impose किया in the light of WHO and as per directions of the medical experts. And quite successfully, they slowed down the spread of COVID in the province. इसी वजह से दूसरे सूबों ने सिंध के नक्शे कदम पे कदम उठाया. Alhamdulillah, under the able leadership of our chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari Sahab, CM Murad Ali Shah Sahab, Adi Faryal Talpur Sahiba and Adi Azra Pecho Sahaba who okay. सर शहरियार महल अभी इनके पीटीआई के मास्क के बगैर तकरीर